Hi everybody, how y'all doing today? Don't mind me. I'm going through some moments where I'm breaking out right now, so don't mind how my skin is looking, but we're gonna get into this video. A lot of people are wondering or asking me how did I go about starting my YouTube channel, and they want to start their own, so they're looking into new ways to do that. So I will be featuring what I do currently with my channel and pretty much how I became to be a YouTuber. How to start a YouTube channel in 2023. So pretty much when you want to start your channel, you just have to have a Google account. Pretty much if you have a Gmail or you create a Gmail, you have a Gmail account. You go into YouTube, the YouTube app, once you enter your Gmail, or just go to youtube.com and it'll bring you to where you need to go. So you first want to start by creating your channel, obviously coming up with your name and your channel's description, what your channel is going to be about, and pretty much just laying out the steps right then and there. And bringing together what your channel is, channel banner, all of that fun stuff. Once you got that, then you can go on to the next step. So the next step there is once you got your channel created, you come up with what they call your niche. A lot of YouTube channels and YouTube mentoring programs mention this word niche, and not a lot of people understand what it means. So your niche is pretty much when people ask you what's your channel about, that's your niche. So for me, mine is kind of currently, I would say, all over the place. My niche is kind of like how-to type videos. My channel is a lot about self-empowerment and just personal growth and motivating my subscribers. So I encourage you all to make sure you share this channel. So once you have your niche and you're ready to start your first video, what you want to do is go into the YouTube analytics, or even just start searching different things. So like, for example, how to build a YouTube channel. That's a big one. So like you could search that and then see how many content creators have come up with videos. You don't want to automatically go with like the channel that has the most subscribers. You want to probably start with a smaller channel, because that doing kind of what that smaller channel suggests will help you then bring your channel up as well, because you are pretty much on the same length. If you start with a channel like a Mr. Beast or something that's a little bit more popular, it might be kind of harder to connect to, being that they already have their big following and they're already monetized and making the money they want to make. Alrighty, now once you have your video idea, like how I created my video today, which is about how to start a YouTube channel, you want to come up with your script. So you write down your script of what you want to say in your video and just kind of go over that a couple of times, so that way when you actually start filming and putting your clips together, it makes sense of what you're going to be doing in your video, so it doesn't seem as choppy and scripted. The next step is obviously going to be your filming. So yep, as I'm doing right now, taking your camera, making sure your audio is good, and just getting your clips in and filming. So once I'm done filming, what I do next is I take my laptop, bring all my videos over to my laptop. So because I have an iPhone and I use a MacBook, it's nice and easy, compatible for me. I just airdrop all the clips to my laptop and use my iMovie app to do all of the editing and filtering and whatever else I want to put in. So that's the next step, is pretty much putting your edits together, all your clips together, taking everything, making it sound less choppy, and making sure you get a good quality video. You have all your clips together, it's time to upload. When you upload it, sometimes it depends on the length of your video. It can take a little bit longer. Sometimes it takes several hours. Sometimes it takes a couple minutes. But YouTube will do its thing. Make sure there's no copyright checks or anything that will, if you want to monetize your channel eventually, make sure that it's going to make sure that there's nothing that will prevent you from earning the money you would like to earn. So once you do that, then you're pretty much all set. After you upload, you do what they call optimizing. So optimizing is going into the video details, adding your tags in, adding things that are trending. So a lot of creators do trending topics. So that way when they add their tags in, they're adding things that will make their videos pop to their audience. So optimizing is doing that not only, and then for optimizing for me, that's a good time where I then, you know, promote my video. I put it on my YouTube. I put it on, not my YouTube. I put it on my Facebook, my Twitter, and then I use my 2 Instagram pages. I use my personal as well as the one related to my channel. So that way, the more people that see it, the more I put it out there, the more we'll be able to look at my channel. And another part where I start doing, like, spending a lot of time on, which is I think where a big part of my time comes. The editing for me is not a big deal. Like, I do that pretty quickly, and I do pretty much the filming pretty quickly, because once I have my script, I already know how I'm gonna do everything set up. So the part that I spend like a big part of time on, which is why I always say that editing and being a content creator is a lot of work, is looking at the analytics. So once the video is posted, looking at the results, how is it pushing? Is it getting a lot of views? And where can I get people to engage more? So right now I currently use a tool called vidiq. And vidiq, I'm using currently the paid option of vidiq. There's also a free version, but it limits you in terms of, like, you can't really optimize as much on the free version, and you can't really use vidiq to help you promote. You kind of gotta do the promoting yourself. So I currently with vidiq have their boost subscription, which their boost subscription has been helping me a lot with coming up with my descriptions for my videos, and coming up for with community posts, which is what I use on YouTube to promote my channel a little bit more. I heavily have been using the community posts. I would highly recommend that you guys do that as well. Use the community posts, because that will help you get your videos out there. And vidiq Boost, it is a little pricey. It's $48.99 a month. But it's well worth it for all the features that you get. So you could use the free version. I've used the free version for some of my videos, and some of my videos aren't doing too bad on the free version, but I do think that the vidiq Boost does help a little bit. What I think for me, my channel specifically probably would be a little bit better is using, I also use this program called TubeBuddy. And I currently use a free version of TubeBuddy, but I'm thinking using one of the paid versions. Specifically, I think it's their Legend package that has a little bit more of the tools I'm looking for to kind of help give my channel the growth I'm looking for. Because currently I'm at 60 subscribers. I want to build eventually to be able to monetize my channel. So, and I want to be able to use the paid subscription to help you all grow your channels as well. So I would love it, appreciate if you guys can engage with my channel, and I will help you engage with yours as well.